Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk through the simple steps on how to unmute a chat on Google Chat on your PC using the newest update. If you've accidentally muted a conversation or simply want to start receiving notifications again, this quick guide will help you fix that in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo, and right next to it, you'll find the familiar icon made up of 9 small dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots to open the list of available Google services. From the menu that appears, select Chat. This will open Google Chat in your browser. You'll now see your chats on the left side of the screen, including your individual and group messages. Next, find the chat that you want to unmute. When you hover your mouse over it, you'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to the chat name. Those 3 dots open the Chat Options menu. Go ahead and click on them. Now, a small drop-down menu will appear with different options for that chat. Look for the option that says Unmute and click on it. The chat will instantly be unmuted. This means you'll start receiving notifications again whenever there's a new message in that conversation. That's it. Just a few quick steps, and your chat is unmuted. You can repeat the same process whenever you want to unmute other conversations as well. It's a great way to stay updated without missing important messages, especially if you use Google Chat for work, school, or keeping in touch with friends. If you want to double-check that the chat has been successfully unmuted, simply look for the notification icon or wait for a new message to come in. You should see it appear with a notification sound or alert, depending on your settings. And that's how you unmute a chat on Google Chat using your PC with the latest update. Thanks for watching.